How to log in into your account on BYDFi application. Are you guys facing issues to log in into your account on BYDFi? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open BYD app on a mobile device. Once you open the application, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for sign up/login. Click on it. After you click on it, you will be provided with two options, email and mobile. Just select the option that you have registered your account with. Once you select the option, now fill up your details and password. Once you fill up all these details, just simply tap on login. Once you click on login, your account will be logged in into the application. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to log in into your account on BYDFi application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.